Who is closing my eyes now? Guess what? Who is this?
Now,
Amaka?
Friend.
Is it Amaka?
So you don't know your friends.
Nkechi? Chioma?
Choma, we.
Ifunanya?
Ifunanya. Just properly now.
Chisom? Who is this now? Ha! I don't know the person. Who is this? Oh, who is this now? Please. My friend.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
How have you been?
Long time no see.
Thank you. I was just going down to that woman's shop to buy something.
How is family now?
Everybody's fine.
It's been a long time.
Yes,
Hi, sit down now. Let's gist. It's been a very long time.
Sit down and gist.
I beg, sit down.
Enjoy, drink up your...
sugar is not good for my mates now, so I'm taking it small.
Okay. Oh yeah, now let me be going. I'm actually in the house.
Just now.
No, but somebody's waiting for me. I need to pick up something.
Yes. Okay,
see you later.
No problem.
Drink up.
No problem. Thank you very much. Oh, see you later. Who is calling me now? Oh, hello.
Auntie, good afternoon, ma'am.
Miracle. How are you? Hey, how was school today? Are you back from school?
Yes.
Your mom just left here now.
Okay.
Yeah, she just left here now. Since you have biscuit, let me give you mineral now so that you will take it together. All right. Enjoy yourself, eh? Be a good boy.
That lady. If you don't know me, every time she comes to my house, husband will be saying, "Can't you see your friend? Look at the way she dressed. Look at how beautiful she is." Hey, let me see how she will showcase herself to her husband again. Stupid woman. Hey, good afternoon. Look how you're looking dirty. Who gave you this thing that you're drinking? That your friend, though. That I'm Tiffy. Wait, which my friend? That you don't know your friend Auntie Tiffy. Auntie Tiffy? Auntie Tiffy on Where Road. Wait, she gave you money to go and buy it? No, she gave me mineral. Merenda. Wait! Wait, stop! Come here! Vienna! Come here! Come here! Wait! Was she drinking this Merenda when you came there? When I come there, the Merenda is still closed. Half? Yes. Jesus Christ. Are you okay? Yes. Oh, what is it? Oh, it must come up. Eh? Wait now! Wait! Now! Miracle! Miracle! He's a lie. Miracle! He's a lie. Somebody wake me up! Somebody please wake me up! Miracle!